Hello everybody. Welcome to EDFN 211 Foundations of Modern Education. I just want to give you a quick tour of our D2L page because this time around most of the work we'll be doing will be on the D2L page. So this is actually our home page or our D2L page, but I think I'll just switch to students view so that we will be able to see the same thing. So when you log on to your D2L, this is actually what you are going to see. And on days that we will be meeting for Zoom or for the synchronous meeting, you can just go to your home page and click on this link during the class time. It's just going to take you straight, and don't forget to use this password, and they are all case sensitive, so they are all uppercase letters of EDFN then 211. And also at some point, if you want to just stop by during my office hours, you just click on this. You don't have to use this will take you directly to the Zoom, and also the password is as it is here. In terms of accessing content, if we have any announcement, I make it to be what you will be seeing at all the time whenever you log onto your D2L page. So our announcement will come in here. And if you want to access content for this course, you go under resources and you click on content. So when you hit on content, it's going to take you based on the all the content we put in so far. So for today or for this week, the only content you'll be able to see that is available for this week is module 0 and week 1. Week 1 will be open shortly after I finish recording this video. So under module 0, as always, don't forget I have the syllabus right here. If you want to read the syllabus, it's there, and also assignment descriptions. So all the assignments we're going to do in this course, I provide a summary of them, so you can download this and keep somewhere on your computer anytime you are working on an assignment, because this description gives detailed orientation of the assignments. And I want you also, I advise, to spend time on this module 0 because it has important things that we should consider or that we would be doing in this course. So you need to pay attention and read this course etiquette, discussion board expectations, and I also advise to take time and explore these tools, these resources. MU video, how to record or screencast, Screencastify, which is an add-on on your Google Chrome if you use Chrome. So Screencastify is an add-on, and Screencast-O-Matic and Padlet. These are pieces of technologies that I think we will be using frequently during our time in this course, so I advise you take time to review them. These are all links that will take you to tutorials or resources that will help you know more on how to use these resources. And on weeks that we have assignments due, which we will discuss in detail when we meet, you just hit on the assignment and click on the assignment. All the assignments are here with the expected points. I have the discussion boards, the analysis paper, the 2 quizzes we're going to have, the synthesis project, and virtual field trip. Actually, the block synthesis project and the virtual field trip are combined or are the joint assignments that we have with the 241 folks. So we will discuss that on our joint meetings in detail. And don't forget to take this training. The due date is posted on the syllabus because you are required to take that while taking this course. So also our discussion board is also structured. So you just go to communication and go to discussions. So I want to call your attention on this help button, because whenever you have an issue, technical issue, or you want to ask some questions that you want quick answer, I advise you come to this forum, you post your question, it goes to the student at the same time, and it also goes to me. So I will try as much as I can to get back to you on really good time. And for the self-introduction, this is where this is the description, and this is where you would post your self-introduction. So I already have mine in there, which you can see whenever you log in, and you follow the course weekly schedule, and you will see the due date for this course introduction. self-introduction. Then the discussion post. So I have them here not in topic but by forum, because some days instead of having discussion post one here, maybe I'm going to group you so that we will have a group discussion related to the topic or the prompt posted for the discussion. So I can change it, but the forum heading will not change, but it can be like here group 1, group 2, group 3, depending on how many number of groups we have for this for the discussion of the day. And pretty much I think this is just what I want to call your attention. And please don't forget, as always, if you are sending email, anything that has to do with email or communication in this course, don't forget to copy me. When you send that to me, don't forget to copy Dr. Hennig, which is also written posted on page 1 of the syllabus. Her email is there, so that we will be on the same page in this course throughout the communications we share. And if you have any question, feel free to ask when we meet or send email, as always. And I look forward to working with you all, and see you next week, or see you on Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you. Bye-bye.